If you've lost a file while using Google Drive for desktop, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to recover missing files by checking Google Drive the right way, restoring items from trash, reviewing activity details, and making sure your local sync hasn't just gotten out of step. This is especially useful if a file disappeared from your computer, but you're not sure whether it was deleted, moved, renamed, or still safely stored in the cloud. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, the most important step is to check Google Drive on the web before you do anything else. Open your browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with the same account you use on Google Drive for desktop, because if you're checking the wrong account, the file may look like it's gone when it's actually just in a different drive. Once you're inside Drive, start with My Drive. This is the main area where your files are stored in the cloud. If you don't see the file right away, use the search bar at the top and type in the file name or even part of the file name. Sometimes the file is still there, but it's just easier to find with search than by browsing folders manually. Next, click Trash in the left sidebar. This is a critical step because if a file was deleted, it may still be recoverable here. Look through the trash list carefully. If you find the file, right-click it and choose Restore. As soon as you restore it, Google Drive will return it to its original location, which makes this one of the easiest ways to recover lost files. If the file is not in My Drive or Trash, the next thing to check is the Activity panel. Select any file in Drive, then click the information icon, usually shown as an eye, to open View Details. From there, go to the Activity tab. This can help you figure out what happened to the file. You may see whether it was deleted, moved, or renamed. That matters because sometimes a file isn't actually lost at all. It's just been moved to another folder or renamed in a way that makes it harder to recognize. Now let's talk about Google Drive for desktop on your computer. If you use mirror mode, your files may still exist locally even if they seem missing in the cloud view. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on the Mac and go to your Google Drive folder. Use the search function there and type the file name. This is a great way to confirm whether the file still exists on your machine. In some cases, the file is sitting right there on your local drive and just needs to be found again. If the file still isn't showing up, the next step is to restart sync. Find the Google Drive icon in your system tray or menu bar. Click the gear icon, then choose Quit. After that, open Google Drive for desktop again and let it reconnect. Sync glitches can sometimes make files appear missing when they're actually just not displaying properly. Restarting the app often refreshes everything and brings the file back into view. At this point, if the file was permanently deleted and it's not in trash, recovery may be limited. That's why checking the web version first is so important. The web app gives you the best chance of finding a recoverable file before you move on to deeper troubleshooting. So to quickly recap, check Google Drive on the web, search My Drive, look in trash, restore the file if it's there, review the activity panel for clues, check your local Google Drive folder if you use mirror mode, and restart sync if something seems off. Following these steps gives you the best chance of recovering lost files with Google Drive for desktop. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I post more step-by-step tutorials to help you fix issues faster and save time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.